What's up, beautiful people of the YouTube community? It's your boy. Got another unboxing for you of some wireless earbuds. It's jlabs Epic Air ANC True Wireless. So I'm going to unbox these and hopefully these will be good for me. Now, I've been watching other YouTubers unbox this and give their review on them, and they say the ANC, which is active noise canceling. If you can see it right, the active noise canceling right there. So they're saying that it works, but it don't work. It's not true noise canceling, but it kind of, I guess tune out some of the background noise, whatever. Me personally, I don't really need it like that, you know what I'm saying? But I got it because 12 hours to 12 hours of battery life, which is doing me good all day. And also trying to see if these might work better for me with phone calls. A lot of times I'll be on the phone with people and they can't really understand me or hear me. So hopefully these might produce a better connection and better call quality. So hopefully these will give me what I need them to have for my use. But now we're going to open them up and see what we get inside. Okay. According to other unboxings, the headphones, yep, and they came fully charged, I guess. Yep. And this is the famous charging cable that most people can't stand. Oh, okay. Let's see how this works. I don't know. I have to see if this will be a convenience for me or inconvenience for me. We'll have to see, but okay. I do like the case. And in here is supposed to be the multiple earbuds. Cute tips, whatever. Okay. Different sizes, so we will see which one works for me. Well, that is it. No, we got something over here. Something over here. Okay. Instructions. What I need. I think this, yeah, it does. It comes with an app. Okay, cool. Yeah. Alright, well, this has been a unboxing. Has it been entertaining to you? I don't know. I just wanted to unbox it and give y'all some content on the channel. Oh, this is wireless charging too, so that'll work. That's cool. So I don't have to use this built-in cable. I could just place on them wireless charging and bam, there you go. Charge it on up for me. Cool. All right then. Well, this has been an unboxing of the jlabs Epic Air ANC True Wireless buds, headphones, whatever you want to call them. So thank you for watching my video. If you like what I do, thumbs up. If you like it even more, subscribe. Oh, and I did get these from Best Buy for like 80 bucks. Yeah, $79.99. Then with taxes from like 83 and some change, so like 84 bucks. So it wasn't that bad. So yeah, there you go. Appreciate you. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace.